right? The simplest example is I'm a wealthy business person in Argentina, and the peso is trading 3 pesos to the dollar, and the year is 2003. And now I can go forward and I tell you, well, in the year 2020, the peso is going to trade 150 to the dollar on the blue market or the black market. That's going to be the real rate. So what's your best strategy? Work hard, diversify into other Argentine companies making pesos? No. Your best strategy is convert all your existing pesos into dollars and get it out of the country. And your next best strategy is forward finance your cash flows and convert those into dollars, get them out of the country. And your next strategy is sell equity in your ranch or your business in pesos in 2003 at 3-to-1, 3 pesos to the dollar, and then buy dollars because the dollar is going to go up by a factor of 50. So what you're doing is you're financing in a weak currency and then you're converting into a strong currency. And that's pretty obvious if you lived in Zimbabwe or if you live. Lebanon went from 150 Lebanese lira to 700. It went from 1,500 to 7,500 overnight. So it means you lost 80% of your money if you had it in a Lebanese bank. And so the answer, of course, is convert your lira while it's 1,500 to the dollar into dollars before the devaluation. Right? Now, what can you do if you're a modern business person, right? If I can't convert to dollars, the next best thing is buy something tangible that won't lose 80% of its value overnight. Buy a boat, buy land. Traditionally, people bought other tangible assets, gold, right? Something like that. But if you buy an asset which is valued based upon its expected future cash flows that are in that collapsing currency, that doesn't work for you. Like you could own every good business in Venezuela. How's that going to help you when the Venezuelan currency collapses by a factor of 1 million? Jesus. It won't. Okay, so what's Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is the strongest asset the human race has ever invented. It's like gold with none of the defects of gold.